School owners and educators from all across India and abroad are gathered here for Eduthon 5.0. It is indeed a privilege that so many people have been able to make it. We were thinking 3 days back that out of the 700 registrations, probably just they're going to be about 300 or 350. But I'm just told that already the records have all been broken already, and still there are about 30-40 people still to come. So great start to this program. Just to give you a glimpse, Eduthon is a conclave organized by Trinity every year with the support of Chitkara University and many other companies, edtech companies. This was started 3.5 years back with about 50 people. It has grown to be one of India's biggest conclaves with about 650-700 people today. The new thing this year is that we have added teachers. So we invited teachers in the first half and they underwent a lot of master classes and on AI, humanity. And there was a fireside chat with Sandhya Mridul, the famous actress. And the whole idea here is that we want to engage in meaningful dialogues so that this city also gets access to all that is happening around the world, around India, whatever latest technology is happening, whatever latest discussions on NEP, National Education Policy or any other policy. So we wanted to government doing in, that's why we got the support of Rajesh Kumar Gupta ji. In fact, the National Secretary Sanjay Kumar ji was supposed to come from the Government of India, but last minute he could not make it today. And we have the doyens of the education world, Anirudh Gupta ji, Madhu Chitkara ma'am, Niyati, all of them here gathered. And so many principals from so many schools. And then not to miss the companies like Khan Academy, Burlington and so on. So idea yahi hai to get together for two reasons. Number one is meaningful dialogues. Everybody comes together, shares their thoughts on education and the latest things. The second is that it becomes a business event where all the edtech companies on one side and all the school leaders on one side get a platform to network with each other, get a chance to showcase their products. So many companies outside are taking up their stalls, and the whole idea is that to bring the community together and create something meaningful and which has value and which lasts for some time. So we also wanted to include some celebrities and some music. So you saw some performance here half an hour back by these guys who were outside, taking those hula hoops, flow arts they are called, and some music in the beginning by Bharatanatyam, and then of course there was they're planned some music in the late evening maybe today. So generally speaking, the whole idea, as I said again, is to create one meaningful dialogues and then to engage in networking for business opportunities. These are the two main things why Eduthon has come so far from 50 people to 700 people. And besides this, we are also happy that we have been able to reach the global stage. Alip Sanam Hari has come all the way from Ghana. Alip, can you raise your hands? So ma'am has come all the way from Ghana, and then there are a couple of other people who were there in the morning from Abu Dhabi, Abhilasha Singh and all. So generally, we have crossed that barrier, and hopefully next time we'll get people from Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and so many other countries as well.